Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is set data type. Set data type, and what the set data type means? It is a unordered one, unordered and unindexed. There is no specific index and there is no specific order for this data type, and we will denote this data type in a flower bracket. So set is another type of data type, and it is unordered and unindexed. There is no specific order or there is no specific index for this data type, and it is denoted by the set bracket. So we will see some basic functions in set data type. I am creating a sample set here, apple, banana. Okay. Here I am creating apple, banana. I am printing that value, print A. While running this, it will display the output as apple and banana. This is the basic function in set data type, and we will see some specific operations which comes under only set. First thing is add item in this set. So how we can add the item in the set means here I am taking the same sets. Just I am adding a dot add of cherry here, and I'm printing a variable. So it will display the output as apple, banana, and cherry. But we have already discussed, right? It is an unordered one. So it will not display the values in the ordered format. It will display the value in unordered format. While I'm again running this, it will again change the values position like apple, banana, and cherry. While running before, we got like cherry, apple, and banana. Like this way, it is unordered and unindexed. So there is no specific index or a specific position for the value inside the set, and it is a completely unordered one. The next thing is update the value inside the set. So here I'm taking the same set, and inside that I'm just updating by using the update keyword. Inside the C bracket, we have to create one list bracket, that is a square bracket, for adding one more values for updating one more values inside the set. Just I'm printing the A variable. So now it will update the jackfruit in between banana and apple. There is no specific order for that, so it is printing like this. This is what the basic functions which we are having in set, and we see few more functions, that is length. Already we know that length will start the count from 1, and the keyword for finding the length is len. So I am taking the same set as example, print len of A. So we are having two values, apple and banana. So it will display the value as 2. This is what the length. And the next thing is remove. Okay, here I am having the same set, and I'm just removing the value. That is already we saw this in list. If we are using a remove function means we have to directly pass the element which we have to delete. So here I'm going to delete the apple. So I'm just writing the element which is apple, and I'm printing the variable A. So it will print apple and will display only banana. The next thing is discard. So discard is also for deleting the value. A dot discard of, just I'm giving banana here, print A. So while running this, we will get only apple. It will delete banana. There is a two ways to remove the values or elements from this set. One is remove and another one is discard. Both are same. The function name is the only difference. The next thing is clear. We have already seen this in list. I'm creating the same set and printing A dot clear of print A. So it will remove all of the elements and will display the empty set. This is the empty set which we got if we give clear of function. The next thing is copy. I'm taking the same set. B is equal to A dot copy of print B. While running this, it will copy the elements from A and it will store that in B. This is what the next function we are having in set. The next thing is intersection. There's a somewhat difference when compared with other things. Intersection is nothing but it will return a set that is the intersection of two sets. What are all the common elements available in the two sets? It will display that common elements. For example, I'm creating A is equal to and B is equal to, I'm just giving apple, comma, cherry. So if I give intersection for this means it will display the common values. That is apple is the common thing in between these two sets. So I'm giving A dot intersection of Y. Sorry, D. So while printing A, or else I can give print in the same sentence itself. So while running this, here the common element is apple, so it is displaying the apple. If I'm adding another one value, cherry, comma, banana here, while I'm running this, we will get both apple and banana. This is the common element which is in A, which is in the sets A and B. Intersection will display the common elements available in the two list. This is what the use of intersection. The next thing is difference. That is union. I'm taking this two list. It will leave the common elements and will display the unique elements from the sets. So here I'm giving A dot difference of Y, B. So while running this, it will display the elements, common element set difference. Okay, spelling. So here we are having cherry, but in the A we don't have any unique elements. So it will display the empty list because I'm giving A dot difference. So it will find the difference in A. So there is no different elements and unique elements in A. So I'm adding another one fruit, that is that fruit here. So while running this, we will get what is the unique element in A because we are giving A dot difference of B. If I'm giving B dot difference of A, B dot difference of A. While running this code, we will get cherry as output because I am giving B dot difference of A. If there is any unique elements in the B, it will display the value. Here we are having cherry as a unique element, so it will display the cherry. So just I'm going to the set data type. Set is the another one data type in Python. It is unordered and unindexed. It is nothing but there is no specific order or specific index for the sets. So we can't get any character position or position value from this because it is completely unindexed. We are denoting this by using cover bracket. And first thing is, it is a basic program. I'm just creating a list and printing the value. The next thing is adding item in the list. By using add keyword, we can add the item. Like we can add one item, but by using update, we can add multiple items by using square bracket inside the function. The next thing is length. Length starts the count from 1. So we are having 2 elements inside the variable A. So it is printing 2. The next thing is remove. Remove will remove the element from the set. Here we are using two functions for removing an element. Remove and discard. Both will remove the elements from the sets. And the next thing is clear. Clear is nothing but it will remove all of the elements from the set and will return the empty set. Next thing is copy. Here I am creating another one variable B. And just I am copying A values inside the B. The next thing is intersection. Intersection is nothing but we are getting the common elements between two sets. So here the common element is apple and banana. So it is displaying apple and banana. The difference is nothing but union. That is unique values. What are all the unique values available in A or B? It will display that. So if I'm giving A dot difference of B means it will find the difference from A variable and it will display that. If I'm giving B dot difference of A means it will display the value inside the unique elements which is in B. So these are the basic programs inside this set. The last data type which we are going to see is numbers. So in numbers, we are having, mainly we are using int and float, but we are having three. First thing is integer. So integer is nothing but it will get only the integer values, that is a numeric values. Numeric values. If I am giving a is equal to 10 means it will print the value 10. This is what the integer. If I am giving b is equal to 20, print B means it will display the value as 20. That is a round of number. There is no, the integer will not accept any dot values, that is float values or decimal values. For that, we are having another one type in numbers data type, which is float. Float is nothing but it will accept only a decimal points value, 10.0. If I'm giving 10.0 and printing A means it will display the result as 10.0. So this is what the data types which we are having under numbers. So we have seen two. The next thing is complex. Complex is nothing but it has both the real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary parts. That is A is equal to 3 plus 2i. Here 3 is a real part, it's a real number, and 2i is the imaginary part. Currently, we are not using this in Python, but just to know, complex is the another one data type in and inside the number data types. So these are all the things which is in data types. And another one small thing is here we can able to get the type, which type this data type is working. So for that we will use type. Type is the keyword from where which data type it is working. Like the print type of A means it will display the value as int because it is an integer one. If I am giving this under float means it will display the type as float, class of float. If I am giving any other data type like A is equal to hello, print type of A. So here it will display the data type as string, that is str. For getting the type of data, we can use type of function here. If I am adding list here means apple, comma, banana, and I am printing the type of A. So it will display the output as list because it is a list one. Type of function is used to get the which type of data type of the variable. This is for the data types. Till now we have completed all of the data types and its basic functions.